In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Revolut under 18 card in the main Revolut app. Let's start right from your phone. Open the Revolut app and make sure you're on the home screen. If you don't land there automatically, tap the home icon at the bottom. Having a stable internet connection here helps everything load smoothly. Next, head to your profile or account area. Depending on your app layout, this might be your profile picture or initials in the top corner or an account tab along the bottom. Inside, look for an option that mentions Add New Account or Add Child or Under 18. The exact wording can vary slightly, but the key is to find the section designed for setting up an account for someone under 18. When you see Revolut under 18, go ahead and select it. This is the dedicated space that lets a parent or guardian create a supervised account for a young person with spending controls and visibility built in. It's a great way to teach financial responsibility while keeping things safe. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to set up the account and invite the child user. The app will guide you step by step, asking for basic details and permissions, so everything is compliant and secure. Take your time, read each prompt, and only provide the information requested by the app. If an invitation is required, you'll be able to send it directly from the app so the child can accept and connect their profile. If you're prompted to review any terms, give them a quick read so you're clear on features and limits. Once the under 18 account has been created successfully, you'll see it listed within your accounts. From here, you can move on to ordering the physical card for that account. Look for the option to order a card tied to the under 18 profile and select it. The app may offer different card designs or delivery choices, so pick the one that suits you best. Before you submit, confirm the details carefully, check the name linked to the under 18 account, and review any delivery address shown on screen. If the app presents a summary, use that to double check everything is correct. Then choose the card option provided and submit the request. That's it. Your Revolut under 18 card order is now on its way. Keep an eye on the app for updates or tracking information, and once the card arrives, just follow the activation prompts in the app to get it ready for use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you set up the under 18 card quickly and confidently.